Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the one of the university recruitment notification, and here the multiple opportunities are there. And the candidates who are having the post graduation with UGSNet or the PhD. So for these candidates here, the opportunities are there, guys. So please utilize this opportunity and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this university recruitment notification of the multiple vacancies in the multiple departments. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGSNet December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGSNet December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, the here college name is Gandhigram Rural Institute, so deemed to be university from Tamil Nadu, Ministry of Education, Government of India, and a NAC A grade, third cycle. So walk-in interview, the notification for engagement of guest or part-time teachers, and the venue is given here, Indira Gandhi Block near Multipurpose Auditorium, and the date 25th August 2021. So on 25th August 2021, the walk-in interview will happen, guys. And few instructions are given here. The candidates are informed to download the application pro forma and bring the filled in form at the time of interview. And the candidates are informed to provide the original evidence of the particulars at the time of interview without fail. And the candidates are informed to appear 1 hour before the time allotted. The university reserves the right to fill or not to fill the vacancies. And coming to the minimum qualifications as per the UGC regulations, a master's degree with 55% of marks and 50% for SC, ST and OBC category, or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever the grading system is followed in a concerned subject with the MPhil or PhD or SET, NET or the SLET qualification. And coming to the experience, a minimum of 2 or 3 years experience in the college or university level teaching. And of course, here the departmental wise, the educational qualifications and the specializations are mentioned here. So we will check down, guys. And the time is also provided. That means on 25th August 2021. Okay, 25th August 2021, morning 9:30, Department of Tamil, walk-in interview. So qualification required here is a pass in MA Tamil degree with 55%, PhD in Tamil, qualified in NET or SLET examination, and the area of specialization in grammar and Sangam literature, modern literature and cultural studies, and the experience at least 3 years. And coming to the Department of Hindi, a pass in MA Hindi with 55% of marks and qualified in NET, SLET or PhD in Hindi, and the teaching experience at least 3 years required. And next one, coming to the School of English and Foreign Languages, MA English, MPhil English with the NET or SLET or PhD, and the Center for Geoinformatics, MSc or MTech in Geoinformatics or Geography and Geology and PhD, teaching and research experience in application of geoinformatics in natural resource and disaster management, and the practical knowledge in RSGS, DAP and development of ESDSS is required. And coming to the Center for Studies in Sociology, PG degree in Sociology with minimum 55% of marks, NET or SET in Sociology, MPhil or PhD degree certificates will be preferred. That means they are not asking mandatory. Okay, preferred. And the specializations, political sociology, sociology of development, sociology of media and communication. And coming to the Physical Education and Yoga Center, Master's degree in Physical Education and Sports or Physical Education or Sports Science. Candidates must have cleared the NET or SLET or SET or have been awarded a PhD degree in the Physical Education and Sports or the Sports Science. So coming to this Yoga Center, Master's degree with NET or SLET qualification they are asking mandatory. So PhD is not the mandatory. And coming to the Department of Economics, MA in Economics or MA Econometrics, MSc Mathematical Economics with MPhil or PhD or NET or SLET in any branch of the economics. And coming to the 2 o'clock afternoon, the Department of Physics, MSc in first class with PhD in Physics and specialization Material Science or Condensed Matter Physics and experience 3 years. Department of Chemistry PhD is required, and the Department of Home Science MSc or MPhil with NET or SET or PhD in textiles and clothing or costume design or apparel and fashion designing or the textile finishes, and the Department of Computer Science and Applications MC or MSc Computer Science or MSc Information Technology with SET or NET or PhD. And coming to the School of Agriculture and Animal Sciences, a master's degree in agronomy from a recognized university with not less than 55% of marks, and candidates must have cleared the ICA or NET or PhD. Okay, and yeah, one more qualification is mentioned here, so please check down, guys. And next, BVOC, MTech, Agriculture Engineering, ICA or NET, and preference will be given to the candidates who are having the teaching or the research experience. Fine. So total from 13 departments. Here the vacancies are announced, guys. So all the interested candidates and the eligible candidates, please once check out this one. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and the more details, please once visit this official website as well as the PDF also. And here the application form is also kept here. Application pro forma for engaging of guest or part-time faculty. So you have to fill up this application form. Okay. And to get the complete details, so please go through the official website, guys. Okay, and then start applying for this one. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science and Philosophy, Tourism, Admin and Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and Anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the General Paper 1 as well as the Electronic Science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.